Welcome, Digital Nomads. Today's topic centers on tax implications across varied employment structures. For the self-employed or independent contractor, the onus of Social Security and Medicare taxes, totaling 15.3%, lies on you. Contrarily, employees tienen withholding taxes deducted by sus empleadores quienes match their Social Security y Medicare contribuciones. Ser un independent contratista o self-employed persona may parecer financieramente arduo debido a responsabilidad. Sin embargo, un rayo de esperanza comes in the form of business-related expenses que pueden significantly reducir tu taxable income. Expenses como home office costs, equipment, y travel all contribute a haciendo tax calculation menos daunting. The embrace of self-employment and independent contracting is further cinched by an increased opportunity to make deductions. For example, employees have limited opportunities to deduct work-related expenses. These distinctions paint a clearer picture, helping you synthesize information to make informed decisions regarding your career path. As you reckon about your tax responsibility and deductions, don't forget about employer-provided benefits. Employees might have an upper hand in this case, as they could have access to health insurance and retirement plans. When strategizing your work structures, consider these pros y cons más allá de tax-related issues. Considering staffing models is also integral when evaluating your employment options. Businesses tienen varias opciones, incluyendo hiring empleados, engaging independientes, o embracing una hybrid model. Cada opción boasts beneficios y satisfaces distintas business needs. For businesses, opting to work with independent contractors could mean less taxing responsibilities due to the absence of tax withholding or benefit provision. In cases where a business engages contract workers, they will issue them a 1099 NEC if payments exceed $600 within the fiscal year. Misclassification of workers often attracts penalties, so get familiar with distinctions between self-employment, independent contract work, and traditional employment. Every classification boasts strategic benefits, especially when considering taxes while necessitating an informed understanding from all parties involved. Consider taxes a crucial cornerstone to tu financial decisiones y carrera opciones. If you're self-employed or an independent contractor, the tax implicaciones might parecer particularmente onerous porque you're responsible for handling your taxes. On the flip side, a direct tax responsibility also means more space for deductions. Your business-related expenditures son the lifeblood of your endeavors as a self-employed professional or an independent contractor. The employee, on the other hand, has less responsibility. The employer takes care of withholding taxes, pays part of the Social Security and Medicare liabilities, and often provides benefits like health insurance and retirement plans. When businesses face the critical question of staffing modelos, they must tread carefully to ensure they choose the right option based on their specific needs and circumstances. The choice between hiring empleados or working with independent contractors invariably comes down to tax, benefit, and responsabilidad implications. Navigate these waters with a clear understanding of the implications y possible penalidades de malclasificar individuos. Adequate comprehension of estas nueces interpretativas te empoderará a hacer informadas decisiones cuando estructuring tu trabajo, be it as an empleado, an independentista contratado, or a negocio decidiendo on modelos de staffing. As you've seen, the tax obligations and beneficios de cada work escenarios son dissimilar. They significantly affect both the employee's take-home pay y la self-employed person or independent contractor's net profits. An employee podría tener menos tax-deductible gastos que un self-employed person o independent contractor. Sin embargo, esto podría ser offset by beneficios proporcionados por un empleador, que puede añadir compelling valor a la total compensation package. On the other hand, a self-employed person or an independent contractor might tener más significativos gastos, mirroring la actual costo de hacer negocio. Sin embargo, ese es un advantage que viene con el added responsabilidad de handling your tax liability. The business should also consider the responsibility que viene con cada potencial modelo de staffing. While additional responsibilidades might be seen as cumbersome, their strategic beneficios podrían superar los costos. In all these scenarios y across estos distintos, es crucial entender cómo taxes afectaran su bottom línea. Acquitem prepare hardware them as they say engañe in making financial decisions o developing business strategies on staffing needs. As we wrap up, know that being aware de las tax implicaciones de cada work estructura te permitirá hacer smart, bien informadas decisiones sobre tu carrera path. Administra tus propias taxes como una self-employed person o independent contratista o have los deducidos de tu paycheck como un employee. The deductions que puedes claim, the beneficios que puedes acceder, Y la overall tax liability que enfrentas serán cada vez diferentes dependiendo de tu work structure. Ya sea un digital nomad o un local small business, prestar atención a estos detalles hará la tax season un poco menos estresante. As we navigate life's intricate web together, remember the onus to deciphering why meeting esos responsabilidades lie with you. Understanding es empowering. Take charge of your journey, equip yourself with the right knowledge why make informed decisiones que te serven best. To wrap things up, being in control de tus taxes parece daunting, sin importar tu empleo actual. Identify what you're responsible for, know what you can deduct, why reconoce cualquier beneficio que pueden ser disponibles para ti. As a business owner, decide which option best aligns with the direction you're heading in. Saving on taxes is essential, but make sure you don't ignore other vital factors like business sustainability, growth, and talent cultivation. As we've seen throughout this video, no one approach to work is superior. Your choice will hinge on your specific circumstances and preferences. Nobody knows your trade better than you do. Encapsulate that empowerment within your chosen work structure. Taxes, among otros aspectos, son meramente una singular aspecto de la emplea fotografía del empleo. Remember to evaluar todos los factores cuando estructuring tu trabajo, incluyendo pero no limitados a taxes, beneficios, crecimiento potencial y tu pasión sobre la actividad. Appreciate the encapsulation de trabajo structures, teeming with diversity y flexibility y laden with transformation, meaning that no job es just another task pero it's an allegiance, an identity y an investment en tu individualidad. The complexity of tax layers often deters people from understanding their full tax obligation. Sin embargo, conocimiento es poder. Educate, seek professional guidance, and ensure that you're appropriately managing your taxes. The journey towards fiscal responsibility is continual. Changes and updates in the tax landscape continually occur, deepening the importance of activamente colaborar con you and improving your understanding of the tax implications concerning your employment structure. Commitment to continuous improvement in your understanding of tax laws and keeping abreast of the associated changes. Welcome smart fiscal management. This approach allows you to navigate the ever-changing tax laws with more comfort and confidence. Working independently empowers you with the reins of your career and business, celebrating your freedom to make decisions while también requiring more stringent responsibility. As we've learned, understanding the associated tax obligaciones es integral to the successful formulación y ejecución de tu estrategia. Businesses, en la notificación de costo eficiencia, might find alluring the flexibilidad proporcionada por la independencia contractor modelo. Sin embargo, deben también recordar que esto viene con lesser control y más legal responsabilidades. Balancing the tax implications y beneficios puede llevar a una informada decisión. Final word: empowerment through understanding, informed decisions and focused action can never be overstressed. The complexities of tax implications across varied employment structures may seem intimidating at first, but as you dig into them, you'll see the empowerment waiting to be seized. In conclusion, remember, responsibility transcends every work structure. No matter the setting, self-employment, independent contracting, or traditional employment, each carries its unique taxation responsibilities and implications, furthering the need for clear understanding and tactical decisiones. Taxes are central to your financial life. The implications of the differences can have a real, tangible effect on your bottom line. As such, tax planning y knowledge es una parte crucial de la vida, especialmente cuando considerado dentro del frame de variedad employment structures. Ultimately, entender estos work structures y como taxes aplican a ellos te dará la certeza para shaper tu profesional y financial futuro. Subscribe to knowledge, embrace responsabilidad, y affirm your tax code mastery.